Look at them clouds. We're going to get some rain. But I'm not going to trust the fact that we're going to get some rain. I'll come out here after a while, squirt some water on my tomato plants. I planted 7 tomato plants. I've got 5 more up there on the porch I didn't plant yet. I bought too many, or I'll need to plant some more. That would mean digging dirt again. I see I got weeds coming up around them already. But I got my tomato cages up, got my plants in the ground. 6 of them I worked the dirt real good and dug in potting soil, threw a little fertilizer in there and some cow manure. And this one right here has got nothing in it. I just dug the dirt and turned it over and squeezed this plant in at the last minute. I planted it right in between the other ones. And I was in a hurry. I was tired from doing all the work that day. Well, I don't know where the clouds went. Sure can't trust them. So I thought, what the heck, let's just grow one without doing anything. I can always come out here and sprinkle some fertilizer on the ground around it, give it some help. Cleaned up some of my mess. I got some more to do. I'm going to have to cut the grass in the next day or two. Got my beans in the ground. Well, it looks to me like some of them are sticking up out of the ground. They can't grow if it's on top of the ground. Oh well, I guess the rain that got on here the other day washed them out. Maybe I should have planted them deeper. We'll see what they do. Instead of growing them to a point up there like I did last year, I need to come up with some stakes. Because these pole beans will grow as tall as this whole pole. We'll come up with some solution. I grow my tomatoes every year. Well, not every year, but most of the years. I'll get out here in the next day or two and hook up my watering system. Good day, viewers. Walter here. It's a little bit of a update out here in the garden area, and we'll go around and look at my tomato plants in a minute. I want you to take a look at, I'm hand holding this GoPro, so it's not going to be steady. Some zinnias are popping out of the ground. They're doing good. Probably should be thinned, but I'm thinking of just leaving them thick like they are and let them do whatever they want to do. Sweet William's looking good. This little patch here has only got a few zinnias popping up, but I added more seeds to the area. This little clump of zinnias is doing very good. None of them are doing as good as that patch down there. Those there are popping up, and they're going to do real good too. The Easter lilies are growing up really quick. The knockout rose needs to be trimmed or thinned or something. It's so heavy with roses, it's bending over and breaking. I think I'm going to need to mulch around these tomatoes this summer. Wonder what would be the best kind of mulch to use. I used pine bark last year, and I don't think that's quite the right medium to be using. I have several different varieties planted here. I got Big Boy, Better Boy, Big Beef, and some other kind.